you use new updated laptop, you probably face this problem when you type F5, F2 or F11. Usually we do F2 to rename the folder or F5 to refresh or F11 to reboot. Now sometimes the settings problem with the new updated laptop, it asks F2 with the airplane mode, F5 with the notification update and F11 with nothings. Then you have to change some settings. I'm Amir from YT Acknowledgement. Fix this problem. Go to the PC's search panel and search settings, and there you have the settings of the PC. There you can see that update and security, click on it, and then the recovery advanced setups are registered now. The PC will restart, take to restart, and then here is some option pop up. Click on troubleshoot, and the second option advanced settings. Use the arrow key of the laptop of PCs to up or down. In the advanced option, click on UEFI firmware settings, and then it will ask you to restart it. Just enter it. Here you get some option with the information main, advanced security, boot, exit, etc. Use the arrow key to change the menu option, and just go to the main with the arrow key and then go down function key behavior. Select the function key behavior with the arrow key and then click on the space button. When you press the space button, and then you can see the function key. It enables media key to function key. If you press again, it will turn on to the media key. Just press on F10, it will save and exit. Just don't do anything, click on the enter just. It will reboot PC or laptop again. Now you can see rename the folder with the F2 and refresh the PC with the F5, hit reboot with the F11 or F10. That's it, thank you.